A rescue cat runs to complete strangers, but only when they cough. Not a throat clear, not a sneeze, a deep, wet cough that rattles. She presses against their legs until the coughing stops. Then she walks away without looking back. For 143 days, she does this. In the park, at the vet, through apartment hallways. Her new owner cannot call her away. The strangers are confused, some annoyed. She ignores everyone else. Healthy people get nothing, children, nothing. But that cough, she runs. Her original owner had lung cancer. In the final months, coughing fits lasted minutes. The cat learned to press her weight against his chest. The pressure helped him breathe. He died during one of those fits, her body still against him. She does not know he is gone. She only knows the sound of someone who cannot breathe. And she still tries to help them every single time.